Today we're gonna talk about linear first order differential equation. Linear differential equations are equations that cannot contain products, powers, or other nonlinear combinations of y or y prime. Hence, its most general form is this one. But if we divide or if we multiply 1 over f of x to this equation and rename the coefficients, it appears in the more usual form dy over dx plus p of xy is equals to q of x. So in order for us to know how to solve this one, let's have one example. So example, we have y prime plus tan x times y is equals to sine 2x, where y of 0 is equals to negative 2. So we are asked to get the particular solution for this one. So as we all know, y prime is just dy over dx. So plugging this in, dy over dx plus y tan x is equals to sine 2x. Then getting the integrating factor from this one. So the integrating factor is just equal to the integral of tan x, which is equal to e to the ln secant x, which is just secant x. Then this secant x, we will multiply this one to this equation. So then this integrating factor, the integrating factor multiplied by this variable y, so p y secant x is equal to this secant x multiplied to this one, sine 2x. So sine 2x secant x. Now we're ready to get its integral. So integrating this one, so y secant x is just equal to, as we all know, sine 2x is just 2 sine x cosine x, and secant x is just equal to 1 over cosine x. So 2 sine x cosine x times this identity, 1 over cosine x. You can just cancel cosine. So y secant x, getting the constant out of the integral. So 2 times the integral of sine x, which is just cosine x, 2 cosine x plus a constant. So dividing this by the secant x, so y is just equal to, since secant x is just equal to, secant x is equals to 1 over cosine x, so 1 over secant x is just cosine x. So 2 cosine x plus c multiplied this by cosine x, so y is equals to 2 cosine squared x plus cosine x. But we are asked to get the particular solution if y sub o is equals to negative 2. So negative 2, y sub o is equals to negative 2 is equals to 2 cosine squared 0 plus c, I forgot c, cosine 0. But cosine 0 is just 1. So negative 2 is equals to 2 plus c. C is equals to negative 4. So, plugging this in the value of C from this for this equation. So, the final answer is just y is equals to 2 cosine squared x minus 4 cosine x.